Many of us want to exercise, but our schedules are packed with work, family, and endless to-do lists. It can feel impossible to find even a few spare minutes for fitness. But what if I told you that starting an exercise routine doesn't require hours at the gym or a complete overhaul of your daily life? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you fit exercise into your busy schedule, even if you feel like you have no time at all. Let's begin by understanding the real challenges and how to overcome them. When we think of exercise, we often picture long workouts or intense gym sessions. But the truth is, any movement counts. Walking to the store, taking the stairs, or even stretching at your desk can all contribute to your fitness. The key is to shift your mindset and recognize that small bursts of activity add up over time. By redefining what exercise means to you, it becomes much easier to fit movement into your day, no matter how busy you are. Setting realistic goals is crucial when time is tight. Instead of aiming for an hour-long workout, start with just 5 or 10 minutes a day. These short sessions are easier to commit to and can be surprisingly effective. Over time, you'll build consistency and confidence, which are far more important than the length of any single workout. Remember, progress is about showing up, not perfection. Take a closer look at your daily routine. Are there moments when you're waiting for your coffee to brew or standing in line? These are perfect opportunities to sneak in a few squats, stretches, or even a quick walk. By identifying these hidden pockets of time, you can turn idle moments into active ones, making exercise a natural part of your day. Starting your day with a bit of movement can set a positive tone. Even if you're not a morning person, a few minutes of stretching or light exercise right after waking up can energize you for the day ahead. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simple movements like arm circles, toe touches, or a brisk walk around your home can make a big difference. Lunchtime is another great opportunity to move. Instead of spending your entire break sitting, try taking a short walk, doing some light stretches, or even a quick bodyweight routine. These activities can help you recharge and improve your focus for the rest of the day. Remember, every bit of movement counts, and lunchtime is a perfect window to fit it in. After a long day, it's tempting to collapse on the couch, but incorporating a few minutes of gentle movement in the evening can help you unwind and sleep better. Try some yoga stretches, a short walk, or even dancing to your favorite song. These activities not only relax your body, but also signal to your mind that it's time to wind down. Exercising doesn't have to be a solo activity. Involve your family or friends to make it more enjoyable and to hold each other accountable. Go for a walk together, play a quick game, or do a short workout as a group. Not only does this make exercise more fun, but it also helps you stay consistent and motivated. Technology can be a powerful ally in your fitness journey. Use fitness apps, online workout videos, or even reminders on your phone to prompt you to move. Many apps offer short routines that fit into any schedule, and tracking your activity can help you see your progress over time. Let technology work for you, not against you. If you spend most of your day at a desk, try incorporating simple exercises right where you work. Chair squats, seated leg lifts, or shoulder rolls can all be done without leaving your workspace. These mini movements help reduce stiffness and boost your energy, making you more productive throughout the day. Your commute can be a great time to add movement. If possible, walk or bike part of the way, or get off public transport a stop early and walk the rest. Even parking farther from your destination adds extra steps. These small changes can make a big difference over time, turning your commute into a daily fitness opportunity. Combining exercise with social activities can make it more enjoyable and sustainable. Invite a friend for a walk, join a group fitness class, or participate in a local sports league. Social support not only keeps you accountable, but also makes the experience more rewarding and fun. Micro workouts are short bursts of exercise, often just 1 to 5 minutes long. You can do a set of push-ups, jumping jacks, or squats whenever you have a spare moment. These quick sessions are easy to fit into your day and can add up to significant benefits over time. Habit stacking means pairing a new habit with an existing one. For example, Do calf raises while brushing your teeth or stretch during TV commercials. By linking exercise to something you already do, it becomes easier to remember and stick with your routine. With a busy schedule, it's easy to forget to move. Set reminders on your phone or computer to prompt you to stand up, stretch, or do a quick exercise. These gentle nudges can help you stay consistent, even on your busiest days. You're more likely to stick with exercise if you enjoy it. Choose activities that make you happy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. When exercise feels like fun instead of a chore, it becomes something you look forward to, not just another task on your list. Keeping track of your activity can be motivating. Use a journal, app, or calendar to record your workouts, no matter how short. Seeing your progress over time can boost your confidence and encourage you to keep going, even when life gets busy. Every bit of progress is worth celebrating. Did you take the stairs instead of the elevator? That's a win. Recognize and reward yourself for these small achievements. Positive reinforcement helps build lasting habits and keeps you motivated to continue. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you need the perfect workout or the perfect schedule, but perfectionism can hold you back. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even a few minutes of movement is better than none, and consistency is what truly matters in the long run. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your plans will change. Be flexible with your routine. If you miss a workout, don't stress. Just get back on track when you can. Flexibility helps you maintain a positive attitude and keeps you moving forward, even when things don't go as planned. Visual cues can remind you to move. Place your workout clothes or equipment where you'll see them, like next to your bed or desk. These small reminders can prompt you to take action, making it easier to fit exercise into your day. Long periods of sitting can be harmful to your health. Set a timer to stand up and move every hour, even if it's just for a minute or two. These breaks help reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and boost your energy throughout the day. Household chores are a great way to add movement to your day. Vacuuming, gardening, or even carrying groceries can get your heart rate up. Approach chores with energy, and you'll be surprised at how much exercise you can fit in without setting aside extra time. Watching TV? Use commercial breaks as a cue to move. Do a set of squats, push-ups, or stretches during each break. These short bursts of activity add up and make your screen time more productive. If you have phone calls or virtual meetings, try walking while you talk. This simple change can add thousands of steps to your day without taking any extra time. Walking meetings are also a great way to boost creativity and focus. Treat movement as a priority, not an afterthought. Schedule it into your day just like any other important task. When you make exercise non-negotiable, you're more likely to follow through, even when you're busy. Having simple equipment like resistance bands or a jump rope nearby can make it easier to squeeze in a quick workout. Keep them in places where you spend a lot of time, like your living room or office, so you can grab them whenever you have a spare moment. Variety keeps things interesting and prevents boredom. Try different types of exercise, like walking, cycling, yoga, or bodyweight workouts. Mixing it up also challenges your body in new ways and helps you stay engaged. A trigger is a specific event that reminds you to move. For example, every time you finish a meeting, do a set of stretches. By linking movement to a regular event, it becomes a natural part of your routine. You don't need long workouts to see results. Focus on short, high-intensity routines or quick circuits that get your heart rate up. Even 5 to 10 minutes can be effective if you make the most of your time. Combine exercise with other tasks to save time. For example, do calf raises while cooking or stretch while watching TV. Multitasking in this way helps you fit more movement into your day without needing extra time. Whenever possible, take the stairs instead of the elevator. Climbing stairs is a great way to get your heart pumping and strengthen your legs. It's a simple change that can have a big impact over time. If you have kids or pets, use playtime as a chance to move. Run around with your children, play fetch with your dog, or join in on their games. Active play is not only fun, but also a great way to get exercise without feeling like you're working out. Stretching is an easy way to keep your body flexible and reduce tension. Take a few minutes throughout the day to stretch your arms, legs, and back. Regular stretching helps prevent injury and keeps you feeling your best. Audio workouts are a convenient way to exercise without needing to watch a screen. Listen to guided routines while you walk, clean, or commute. This allows you to fit exercise into your day, even when you're on the go. Planning ahead can help you make time for exercise. Look at your schedule and identify when you can fit in short workouts. Even if your days are unpredictable, having a plan increases your chances of following through. Protect your exercise time by setting boundaries with work and other commitments. Let others know when you're unavailable, even if it's just for a few minutes. Prioritizing your health helps you show up better in all areas of your life. Accountability can help you stick with your routine. Share your goals with a friend, join an online group, or use a tracking app. Knowing someone else is cheering you on makes it easier to stay motivated, even on tough days. Give yourself a reward for sticking with your routine. It could be a favorite snack, a relaxing bath, or a new book. Rewards help reinforce positive behavior and make exercise something you look forward to. Everyone's journey is different. Don't compare your progress to others, especially if you have a busy schedule. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your unique achievements. Remember, any movement is better than none. Pay attention to how your body feels. If you're tired or sore, it's okay to take it easy or rest. Listening to your body helps prevent injury and ensures that exercise remains a positive part of your life. Find sources of inspiration to keep you motivated. Follow fitness accounts, read success stories, or set up a vision board. Inspiration can help you push through tough days and remind you why you started. Your schedule and needs will change over time. Be willing to adapt your routine as life evolves. Flexibility ensures that exercise remains a sustainable and enjoyable part of your lifestyle, no matter what comes your way. Remind yourself why you want to exercise. Whether it's for health, energy, or stress relief, keeping your motivation in mind helps you stay committed, even when time is short. Your why is your anchor on busy days. You don't need a perfect plan or lots of free time to start moving. Begin with just a few minutes today, walk, stretch, or dance. The most important step is to start. Over time, these small actions will add up to big results. Remember, your health is worth it, and you can make exercise fit your life, no matter how busy you are.